Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza, founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this film, we are talking about the inequality of supply and demand in transportation problem. Let's move on.
We talk about some special cases of the transportation problem. When the total supply exceeds the total demand, denote that here we encounter a situation where the additional supply is available. To address this, we introduce a virtual demand node in the transportation table with the demand amount of equal this equation. Since no actual goods are being transported to this virtual node, the transportation costs for each unit are also considered as a zero. When the total demand exceeds the total supply here, we encounter a situation where the additional demand need to be fulfilled. To solve this, we introduce here a virtual row in the transportation table with the capacity is equal to this equation. Since no actual goods are being transported from this virtual point, the transportation costs for each unit of this row are considered as a zero. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are any question and need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us by email or by form or filling the contact form in our website, which is www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.